Hello viewers, how are you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to learn how you can automate your Facebook post commit with the GoHighLevel help. It's a super easy. We need to just integrate our Facebook account with the GoHighLevel, and then we need to make a 2-3 step automations workflow, and that's it. You done it. So automate your Facebook commit together. First step, you need to integrate your Facebook account to the GoHighLevel. For integrating Facebook account to GoHighLevel, go to settings, and after that you need to go integrations, and here we can find integrations. Yeah, and here you can connect your Facebook account. So my Facebook account is already linked and my page is already selected. So what we do next, it's a super easy. You can say connect your Facebook account. You can select your Facebook account, and then you can select your page here. And so let's move on the next step. In the next step, we can go to the workflows. Here we can go to the automations. In automations, we can create another workflow. It says you can select from recipe and you can start from scratch. So we are going to start from scratch. And first step in a workflow, we can say that FB commits workflow. Okay. In a workflow, first of all, we need to select the trigger. Trigger is basically our point where commit is, where we start giving commit to the post, and on which post we are going to reply to the commit. Select the trigger, and here we can say that Facebook commit. Yeah, here we can say that Facebook commit on a post, and it's automatically select your page, and here page is already linked, that we have link before this making these automations, and we can select the post here, and for example we can say that this is a post. We can select post and we can save trigger, and here we can respond, and we can say that reply in comment, and here we can say that, for example, someone comment on our post, and we can say thank you for your comment, please check your DM. Okay, that's it from this, and we can also send message on inbox as well, Facebook Interact Messenger, and we can see that we can select template here, but we don't have templates, and we say that it's thanks for comment. If you're interested in our services, please let us know. So this is a inbox message. The trigger is saved, and we can publish it, and we can test it. Get to here, and we can open the post first. Here is a Facebook post, and we can say that how you can it's a random ID. I just comment on it, and you can see how we can receive inbox SMS, and also our comment. Like you see, it's I just commit on the post, and I automatically get reply here. And also if we can refresh, and we can see our commit reply as well, and we can just say that. Yeah, you see, this is automation run, and thanks for your comment, please check your DM, and in inbox we have received message. So that's it from this video, and you see Facebook commit automation. It's a